What's going on, everybody? My name's Taylor, and welcome back to Smokeshow Happy Hour, your favorite excuse to day drink. And if you guys didn't notice by the updated background here, we've swapped office and studio locations, so we do have a new spot that we're going to be working on building up, so you guys will see a little bit of changes over time in the next couple of videos. But for this specific drink, we're going to be making an Amaro Nonino Old Fashioned. Now, if you are looking for a national drinking holiday to celebrate, there is National Pina Colada Day right around the corner, but I figured I wanted to make an Old Fashioned. It's been a while since we've made one together too, so I wanted to try that new Amaro Nonino bottle that I made you guys get a couple weeks ago, so let's give it a whirl. Starting off, we're gonna grab 2 ounces of any bourbon of your choosing. Now for this one, you can go with a higher proof if you're looking for a bit more of that push forward with your bourbon. But for this one, I'm just gonna keep it simple by using some Evan. After Evan, we're gonna go ahead and grab our Amaro Nonino and measure out 3/4 of an ounce. Now we're gonna add in 2 dashes of Aromatic Bitters too. Now with these, if you don't have one of those precise milliliter droppers, you end up adding somewhere between a drop and a dash and 3 dashes, so best of luck with your dash journey. Beautiful, I think that worked out pretty well. And just like that, guys, that's how you make the Amaro Nonino Old Fashioned. This is absolutely beautiful coloring on this. I'm sure now you can see the color a little bit better up against the wall behind us now. We are gonna change the paint colors in here too, so don't get too attached to it. But without further ado, you guys know the rules. 1 sip, cheers. Wow, okay, wow. That is so good. Okay, I've been such a huge fan of this Amaro Nonino bottle. Like I'm trying to find new recipes to use this with all the time. So eventually I'm just gonna have to drink it neat over ice and give that one a whirl. But having it in an Old Fashioned just like this is absolutely beautiful. The complexity is very botanical. It does have that bitterness too. Because this is, if you remember my description of this from that other week's video, basically an Italian grape brandy. I absolutely recommend this drink to you guys too. So if you enjoy this drink, and you tried it yourself, make sure to take a photo, post us on socials, and tag us. I always love reposting your guys' drink creations every single week. Drop a like if you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to turn on that post-subscribe notification bell to stay tuned of any kind of recipes or further drinking holidays in the future. But thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next week. Cheers.